Hi there, digital world. I wonder if you are a YouTuber or you've been thinking to start a YouTube channel, or you are thinking to open up a website and you don't know where to get all of this image content without having a copyright problem. Anyway, I want to introduce you the services that I have, and probably if you have just started your YouTube channel, and I know that you are facing some of these troubles that I had few years back. For example, you probably have bought apps and edited the images yourself. You've edited your intros, your outros, your channel banner art, but the problem is you weren't happy with the result. Now, that is the reason why you have to hire a professional. And one good thing is that your quality content will be much more appealing to the eyes of your viewers, right? It's more inviting to see. But anyway, some of the clients that I want to present to you is Melvin Blue TV, Josephine Gimoro, Jamsam Rasta with Caroline, Young Markelov, and so much more. Some of the clients that I have given my service to are not available to be published, but as of now, they are enjoying the services that I have given and provided. I can help you to start a channel if we're just gonna adjust it the way you want it. We're gonna adjust according to the goal of your channel, right? And we're gonna adjust the colorations and all of these additional accessories that can be in a channel art, in a video intros and outros. Anyway, I know you might be thinking that it is probably expensive, so I might gonna do it myself. Well. A good quality is an investment, and if you want a good quality without repeating doing it all over again by yourself, then that's the good thing that you will hire a professional, right? Anyway, my name is Rochelle Rosenberg, and I hope that I can give a good service to you, and I hope that you will enjoy the products that I will be presenting into your channel. So please just like and subscribe and contact me if ever you want my service.